Welcome to our video of the U.S. Industrial Hydraulic Swing Beam Shears. These machines are available in 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, and larger thickness cutting capacity in mild steel. They're available in 6 foot, 8 foot, 10 foot, and 13 foot cutting lengths. Some of the standard features on our shears include the quick blade gap adjustment, support arms on the front of the machine, ball transfer tables for ease of material handling, a 3-foot squaring arm with inlaid scale, and an operator's foot pedal with emergency stop. The operator's control console allows for motorized movement of the back gauge. It includes a parts counter and stroke length adjustment. All standard U.S. industrial shears have a front-operated power back gauge with momentary buttons for movement of the back gauge up to 36 inches of measuring. Fine adjustment of the back gauge is achieved by use of the hand wheel. With the use of the digital readout, you can get a very close tolerance on your cut. All U.S. industrial shears have point-of-operation guarding with micro-switch protection, hydraulic material hold-downs, and a shadow wire for marking the cut. All standard U.S. industrial shears come equipped with a material drop chute that prevents the drop from sliding past a certain point under the machine. All shears come with a lockout disconnect and a robust magnetics cabinet with electrics such as Schneider, Juche, Telemecanique, and ABB. The optional CNC control for U.S. industrial hydraulic shears allows the operator to program cut length, cut width, and even enter the material thickness, which the machine will use to automatically adjust the blade gap. 6 foot, 8 foot, and 10 foot squaring arms with inlaid scales are options available for all U.S. industrial hydraulic shears. The pneumatic sheet support option holds flimsy sheets up to meet the back gauge. The support will automatically return to the down position at the end of the stroke.